Hey guys, my name is Christy and this is my Crafty Country. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope by the time we're done here, you have subscribed, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button. But when you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video. So in today's video, I was just going to go through a few things that I found at my local Dollar Tree with Christmas rolling in. It has made me do a total flip on my house. Like, all my fall decorations are now packed up and my Christmas tree is up but not decorated. When it is, I will show you. I'm just getting so excited to get ready for Christmas. It almost gives me a panic attack trying to make sure I have everything ready for Christmas, but I so love the season and decorating for winter. So some of my DIYs may be a little away from Christmas and more snowmen and just winter time. And then some of them will be just a full-on Christmas video. So in today's video, it's a little bit of both. I'm going to do a little bit of a Dollar Tree haul, and then at the end I'm going to show you how I decorated some of the Dollar Tree's little wooden sled ornaments. So let's just jump right into it. If you haven't been in the Dollar Tree this Christmas season that they've already kicked off, you know that they are going full on gnomes and red buffalo plaid. They're doing some of the black and white buffalo check too, but it's a whole lot of red. So I was going to make a plate like this and for my little boy to put out on Christmas Eve. Go ahead and peel the label off of it. That says cookies for Santa. Well, Dollar Tree got ahead of me and they made one. So a little red and black buffalo plaid cookies for Santa plate. I kind of wonder if there's a cup that goes with it. You know, it says milk for Santa, but if not, I think we're gonna make one of those anyway. So hopefully that'll be coming up in my DIYs. I found, see now I didn't bring my glasses over here, but we're just gonna roll with it. I think it says it's the most wonderful time of the year. I love this cup. Just a little travel coffee cup. Absolutely loved it. Got this one that says Deck the Halls, the red and black buffalo plaid. I know they had like 3 different coffee cups like this, and these would be, you know, just perfect for having at the house if you host Christmas or any holiday get-togethers. But I think I want to get some more of these if I go back and do some gift baskets with them. Maybe do cocoa in it, or like put a foam ball in it and have like kebab sticks sticking out and like tape candies, or I don't know what yet. So I've told you I am going to do more of the gift baskets once I get to creating them. There's so many things I don't know where to go. The red and black buffalo plaid. I'm decorating my house, like decking it out this year for Christmas, and I wanted these on my table. So I have a red tablecloth. I may have to alter that plan because I feel like that might be too much red, but we'll just have to see how that works. Because I really want to do like the whole tablescape thing. I've never been too fancy about the holidays and stuff, or really about decorating in general, but with all this DIYing I've been doing, I'm really getting into it and I love it. Plastic table coverings for, I thought maybe the kids' table at Christmas, or for, you know, the cookie, or, you know, the sweets table. Don't know yet, but figured I needed to put that in my stash along with the red and black buffalo plaid wrapping paper. I don't know, I will just show you the label because I can't read it, about how much paper it is. I actually had my phone out and zoomed it when I bought it, so I knew how much it was then. But I'm not even going to try to figure it out now. But I got the red and black, I got the buffalo plaid, I got the peppermints, little star mints, and that's the same That was in the same box, so it's the same size roll, and so is this one with the brown paper, or kind of yellowish brown, gold maybe? The gold paper. With the red trucks with the trees in the back. So I love those. I actually think I got 2 of the buffalo check papers because I thought about wrapping like the stuff that hangs on the walls. You know, you've seen people take their artwork off the walls and wrap it like gifts and then hang it back up just for the Christmas season. I thought about doing some of that, or if I have one of my little trees that's more just for decoration and not for the gifts, I may wrap some empty boxes and put it under that tree for decoration. I thought this paper might come in handy. But I got a second roll of it for DIYing should I want to. Because you just never know, especially with buffalo plaid, and it's trying to get away. If it falls back there, I'll never know. It'll be lost forever. I'll find it when I go to clean one day, and then Christmas will be over. So, I know these aren't new, but I just thought they were terribly cute. Perfect for a gift basket or a DIY, maybe to do something on your coffee bar or your centerpiece, or just like on a bookshelf or something. So I got 3 of these because I'm going to do some DIYs with these. And I thought maybe I'd DIY one and I could gift basket 1 or 2, or I don't know yet. But I am prepared. So I showed you a while back that I had made these pillows. I did a video that I'll link below. And I used Dollar General placemats. Dollar Tree does have some beautiful placemats. I showed you some fall ones a couple of videos ago. Maybe last video, I'm not sure. But these were Dollar General placemats. And just some stuffing, some polyfill, some hot glue, and a couple placemats, and you have nice little decorative throw pillows. Well, Dollar General was doing really good on theirs, and then I found the Dollar Tree finally got theirs out. So I didn't overdo it. I just got 2 of this one because I thought that red was beautiful, and I love the trees. It says Merry Christmas. And then I got 2 of this one. And they are not created equal. All right. Here's where you can learn a lesson from me. These are not the same size. They are even up here. And look how much different they are. So I can still make that work because when you do a pillow, it's going to be somewhat folded under anyhow. But that kind of stinks. But that's okay. I'll make it work. Just food for thought. You should check before you just pick them up and go. So there's a couple of little holiday pillows, and I'm going to be giving some of them away as gifts, or like throw just some Christmas decorations together and put a pillow in with it. Okay, this, well, I think it says for backsplashes. It's just adhesive paper, really, and I use mine. I will put some of this, and they had this print, which I like. They had all 4 prints. See, there's all 4 of them. They had all 4 of them, but I only got the 2 because I'm going to try them out. I put them on foam board, and I use them as like a background when I take pictures of my DIYs, and I show at the end. So then that turns that right there into a backsplash or a backdrop. But I don't like how shiny it is. But that might not matter in a photo. We shall see. Maybe I'll do one and put it at the end, and y'all can see whether it worked or not. But there's those. And then plastic table mats. I have a ton of these. I always end up using them, but I just grab a couple here and there whenever I see them, because if you have holiday get-togethers, you know how convenient it is to get your big 6-foot plastic table out, throw one of these tablecloths on it, and then at the end, you just clean your stuff off and then roll it up and throw it all in the trash. So, very nice disposable option that I found. It just says table cover, but this is the one for the long table. And you can kind of see in the photo right here in the corner, what it looks like on. It's green on the top, and then it just has like this decoration down the side. And same with this, it's just the side decoration. But there's a little snowman village. Anything else on it? Yep, snowman, and then the little red truck. So I really like those. I thought they were cute Christmas table covers, because you never know. And if I don't use them this year, they'll just go in my stash. Okay, so Dollar Tree has always had like wall decals that you can get. If you don't have a Cricut, then they really come in handy. I saw one that was like laundry room, and then it had all the rules for the laundry room. So if you made a sign, you could just stick these on it. Well, I found a couple new ones, and they may not be new for everybody, but they were new for me, so I grabbed some. It says, "This is us, our story." Blah, 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 blah. This is us, our story, our home, our love. So I thought that was cute. Make a little sign out of that. Our family's gathering place. Sit down, talk much, and laugh often. And this one has seen better days. That is just from being in this bucket that I had everything in, the tub. But it'll still stick on just the same. Now, I don't think these are transfers. I will have to read that at the end, and I will let you know at the end if they're transfers, because I haven't used these too much. I thought they were just stickers, but now I think they may be transfers. Excuse me. Okay, and this one I really loved because having the twins here, I can either use that here or I can make a sign for my sister and brother-in-law. Says, "Since little fingers touch our floors, please remove your shoes at the door." Got little shoes and little footprints and little handprints there. I really like that. So, goodness gracious, Indiana allergies kick my butt every year. So, the ornaments are amazing. Like I showed you, let me get this guy back down. I showed you the reindeer, that I'm still looking for more of this guy because I want to put him on my new tree. But a few letters, but it's like they don't have all the letters you may need. There was some that I was looking for, like a P and a few other letters. I can't remember. I had them all listed out because I was going to do DIYs for family and friends just using these letters. So I did find the B, which is the beginning of my last name. I found BS, but I found the S for a friend of mine, her last name. And I'm going to try to do some DIYs with those, but it wasn't quite as much as I wanted because I wanted to do a few of them, but that's okay. I found this little fella, and I had found in the past, I'd done a Dollar Tree haul that I found like the tree. About the same time I found the ghost and the pumpkin and the witch's hat. I found the Christmas tree. There was a couple other shapes. Maybe a snowflake, I can't remember. But I've never seen this guy. So he was just sitting there all by himself, and I thought, just the shape of him, you know, the shape of the snowman, I could do something with that. Whether it be a snowman or I flip it some way and have to do something else, it would, nice little rounded galvanized shape. And I've been searching for these little gnome, just little sitters, you know, for your tier tray. There was red, blue, and green maybe. And I found the blue one, and I found the red one. But the poor little red one, I didn't notice till I got him home. His little tip of his hat was broken off. So I got me a jingle bell and I glued it on there, and that covered that up. But it was the last one anyway, so I couldn't go back in and swap him. So I got in the truck and noticed it was broken because I went to show it to my husband because I was so excited about it. And then I was like, oh, his poor little head's broken. But I couldn't go back in and swap him, so I just figured, yeah, surely to goodness I've got something I can fix him at home. So I just stuck a little jingle bell on him, and I think he's cuter with the jingle bell. So there's my little tier tray sitters, my little gnomies. I think that is all the Christmas stuff I have found lately at my Dollar Tree. They are coming out with more and more all the time. So it's just steady rolling out. The floral, they're putting out more poinsettias and holly and berries and all kinds of fun stuff. So just keep your eyes open. And I am actually going to be going, today's Tuesday, I'm going to be going Thursday to a Dollar Tree a couple towns over where my husband works, and they are opening up on Thursday, and we're going to try to get there Thursday evening. And it's half Dollar Tree, half Family Dollar. Well, we know they're owned by the same company. So I'm kind of curious to see what they have. And you know, when they open a new store, we just had one open the other way in the other town next to us. We had one open a couple years ago, and they or maybe last year, they packed it full of all of the, I don't even remember what season it was. It might have been Christmas, but they packed it full of that season that everybody was looking for because they have to fill the new store, right? So I am kind of excited to go to this new one to see if they have packed all the new Christmas stuff in there, and I will for sure have my phone charged and do a video and share it with you guys. If I probably won't happen Thursday, I'll probably have to share it on Friday. So keep your eyes peeled for that, and thanks for hanging out with me. And if you've made it to the end, I appreciate you, and you just have to hit that thumbs up now and subscribe and wait until Friday, and we'll see what the new Dollar Tree looks like.